Hello, and good day to everyone. My name is INDRAN and my matrix number is S50540. Today, I'm going to show my understanding of this chapter. So the company that I chose in Bursa, Malaysia is Kaylee Holding Berhad. This first question is about determining the type of audit report. The type of audit report has two types, such as unmodified opinion and also modified opinion. In modified opinion also has three types, such as qualified opinion, adverse opinion and disclaimer opinion. Based on the Annual Report 2020 of Kaylee Holding Berhad, the audit report is under the qualified opinion as a categorized of the modified opinion. So here this is the audit report for the annual report, and here we can see the report on the financial statements. Next, question 2 is about determining the basis of opinion. In my opinion, qualified opinion report can result from a limitation on the scope of the audit or failure to follow the approved accounting standard. It means that it can be issued when the auditor has been unable to accumulate all of the evidence required by approved auditing standards. In addition, the situation in which the financial statements are not stated in accordance with an approved accounting standard or with the certain provision of the Companies Act 2016. Based on this annual report, we can know what is the basis for a qualified opinion, as we know that the first one is the auditor are uncertain of the full recovery of certain trade receivables of the group amounting to Rm 11,995 million as at financial year end, as a substantial amount on the completed constructions payments that have not to be received. Auditor was unable to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence on the impairment assessment of the above-mentioned carrying amount of the said receivable in accordance with MFRS 9 financial instruments. As a result, an auditor was unable to determine whether any adjustment to these amounts is necessary. Besides, this question about determining the key audit matter. So that based on Annual Report 2020, there are 4 types of key audit matter, such as: first is revenue and cost recognition of property development. Next, the net realizable value of inventories of property development cost. Third, recoverability on the amount owing by subsidiaries. And, the last one is the impairment of trade receivable. The last question is about determining the emphasis of matter and other matter. Based on the annual report, these are the emphasis of matter and other matters are as follow. We can see on the paragraph that the auditor has performed. It concludes that there is a material misstatement of this other information. In addition, the auditor is unable to conclude whether or not the other information is materially misstated with respect to this matter and other matter. We can see on the paragraph that the report is made solely to the members of the company, as a body, in accordance with Section 266 of the Companies Act 2016 in Malaysia, and for no other purpose. We do not assume responsibility to any other person for the contents of this report.